Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Yeah, on the dot chart, we are currently in a correction. The move down looks corrective for now, so it might be really that the white scenario here has a chance, and the third wave should ideally still get to round about $6.20. This will change a little bit. Already now I actually have to adjust it a little bit. There you go, because I have to adjust it to the latest high. And then it will depend, depending on where the price will indeed form a low in wave 2. For example, let's just give an example here. If the price retraces a little more, maybe to the 61.8 retracement at $4.06, then yeah, the third wave should get to around about $6.30. So I can't actually give a definite upside target yet until we have a low in place. It is a bit difficult to say where exactly wave 1 has indeed topped. It is not a very clear microstructure. I think we can interpret that as a possible 5-wave move up, the entire move up then as a possible leading diagonal. Second, there's a problem with my mouse here at the moment. Now it's okay. And the move down could be corrective, right? So it is entirely possible that if wave 1 topped here, we have a small A wave, overshooting B wave, and the C wave down is unfolding. It is not so important. I think it is the simplest way is to call the entire move up wave 1. Draw the fibs for a possible wave 2 pullback. $3.85 is key support. And if we are forming support here somewhere in this region or above, if a low is forming, and the price then breaks out above the wave 1 high at $4.92, this could send us higher in a third wave. Again, it will depend on where the wave 2 really forms a low. It doesn't exactly look finished yet to the downside, so we might see a little bit more downside. Let me just shift this to the right, and then we can take a look at the micro patterns. If we zoom in a little bit, just looking really at the microstructure here, as you can see, the rally from the intraday low, which formed at around $4.46, it is just in 3 waves. We had very weird price action today. A small rally. It didn't look too bad, actually. Move down, move up. So all the losses of the day were gained again. Basically, just sideways action. Very weird whipsaw price action. But that is not yet a signal that we've really started a move to the upside. It rather indicates indecision, sideways action, that we might see one more low. So the next structural support level is defined here at around $4.41. That's the previous swing low. I wouldn't find that so relevant, but below that $4.37, $4.21, and $4.06. And bear in mind that the bullish count has a chance as long as we're holding above $4.85. No, it's $3.85. Below that level, it's too deep for a reliable wave 2. But yeah, it's pretty ambiguous price action, so it's not very clear what I could imagine is happening as well. That's just an idea. Because this looks so much like a 3-wave move down, we might now be working on a B wave and then get this. But the exact nature or the exact microstructure in a correction is always uncertain, very fluid. More important is to understand if the bulls turn up and develop an upside impulse before the price breaks below $3.85. So that's how I see at the moment dot. So the next target for the bulls, the next objective for the bulls is really to drive the price back above $4.92, then possibly into the $6 region, but still a very fragile structure. Decent reversal attempt. The pullback is corrective so far, is holding a higher low, so we can definitely watch for this 1-2 setup. But there is no sign that wave 2 is finished at this stage. So I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.